tribulation, God gave me blessed consolation. That my trials comes would only make me strong. Through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, I've learned to depend upon His word.
I've been in a lot of places, and I've seen a lot of faces, but there be times that I felt so all alone. But in my lonely hours, those precious lonely hours, Jesus let me know that I was His own.
Through it all,
Oh Lord, I just threw it all.
through it all,
Oh Jesus, yeah.
I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, I've learned to depend upon His words. So I thank God for the mountains, and I thank Him for the valleys,
Thank you, Jesus.
and I thank Him for the storms He's brought me through. Oh, for if I've never had a problem,